Hi everyone. Good morning. So guys, as part of this session, we'll be looking at a brief introduction about this JavaScript. So JavaScripting is a most popular and widely used high-level programming language and as well as a scripting language, which is used in the field of website development, UI automation, and as well as a mobile automation. From a tester perspective, we are using this as part of a UI automation considering the Playwright as a tool. If you consider the mobile automation, the next lectures that we are going to start with, which is a detox, for which you need this JavaScript. Okay, and the key important features of this JavaScripting are it's basically simple and easy to understand the syntaxes we have in this JavaScripting, and the speed and efficiency is more with this JavaScripting, and it does has a strong community support. We do have n number of resources. Ideally, for any problem, we will be having a multiple solutions which we can resolve in a lesser time span. And another most important thing that we need to consider is why we need to learn this JavaScript. So the answer for this one is consider an example of Selenium. In order to work on a Selenium, definitely you should have any idea on any programming language like a Java, Python, all those things. The similar way, in order to work on our detox also, we should have this JavaScripting or a TypeScripting. We are going to study detox with the JavaScripting. So we need to have some idea on the JavaScripting, like how exactly you can define a variable, how exactly you can print that information, how to use a conditional statements, a looping statements, how exactly we can handle an exception in a JavaScripting. All those things we will study in the next upcoming sessions, which is going to be the base for our detox mobile automation testing. Okay, perfectly all right. With that note, let's get started with the topics. See you in the next session. Thank you.